किछि परिमाण रे तांका पाखरे से आनयंस को देखुथिले। सो एई तांको मन भितर से जोड़ा व्हेन ही सॉ जेसी वेन्स he saw Jesse Owens was somewhat annoyed in order to reassure him he spoke to Jesse Owens. Again, Ludlum was really good at heart. He was not so much influenced by the Nazi nationalist feelings. So when he saw Jesse Owens was somewhat annoyed, in order to reassure him, he spoke to him. He spoke to him in order to reassure him, he spoke to him. तांको मन भितर से उद्वेगटा को रिमूव करने पाई तांको भितर जो प्रकार थिला मन भितर जो थिला सेटा को से कटई देवा पाई से तांको सहित कथा हेले with Owens he really looked the part. What does it mean? He really looked the part. He really looked the look the part मु आगु कही तार अर्थ होची माने with effort with no difficulty. He really looked the part. He he appeared suitable. He appeared suitable. Suitable for a particular job. For a particular job. ताहले एइटे मु कहिबी जे आमे गोटे नुआ सेंटेंस मध्य भी तैयारी करि परिबा केमदे हाउ वी कैन फ्रेम ए न्यू सेंटेंस जे इन हिज न्यू ड्रेस or smart dress, you may write. So in his smart dress he certainly looked the part. He certainly looked the part. अच्छा ये तार जो स्मार्ट ड्रेसटा पिंधि बढ़िया ड्रेसटे हो तो निश्चित भाव रे ही लुक्ड द पार्ट मीन्स ही लुक्ड रियली सुटेबल to look like one specifically fit a particular kind. You look the part of an Englishman, have the appearance or a style of a dress. Again I can say have the appearance, have the appearance. तार इंटरनल मीनिंगटा या किंतु ये देखा ही रियली लुक्ड पार्ट व्हाट डज इट मीन लॉन्ग वाज ट्राइंग टू प्ले द पार्ट ऑफ एन आर्यन और लुक्ड एज इफ ही बिलोंग टू ए सुपीरियर रेस डज इट मीन लॉन्ग वाज ट्राइंग टू प्ले द पार्ट ऑफ एन आर्यन नो he looked as if he belonged to a superior race no there is no iota of feeling bad feeling there was not an iota of Aryan feeling in him. He looked the part. He looked the part. He really looked the part, though we laughed over the fact, and he really looked the part, though an inch taller. एथरू बुझा पड़ा जे आर्यन सुपरमासी बिजनेस तांको हृदय को टच करि नथिला देयर वाज नॉट एन आयोटा ऑफ आर्यन फीलिंग और सुप्रीमासी फीलिंग सुप्रीमासी फीलिंग इन हिम तांको पाखरे ए प्रकार नथिला तेणु सी जो जगार छिड़ा हेले बा he really looked the part means he was quite good at heart and he did the real job at that moment. Aryan looked as if he belonged to a superior race. 7. How did Ludlum help Jesse Owens in qualifying for the final jumps? Here you see how did Ludlum help Jesse Owens in qualifying for the final jumps. Jesse Owens Ludlum found that Jesse Owens failed to qualify himself Ludlum found that Jesse Owens failed to qualify himself at the in the first trial. ये साधारणतः गोटे ट्रायल कला बेले Ludlum found that Jesse Owens failed to qualify himself at the first trial. जेतेबेले से देखिले से फेल मारी जाउछंती इन क्वालिफाई जम्प्स so he advised him to be